In the sound of rain. On a quiet night, it's raining outside the window. A small drop of water falls on the leaves and seems to play a gentle melody. The air is cool, and the silence spreads deep into the heart. You are wrapped in a soft blanket and wrapped in a pleasant silence. The sound of rain seems to make you forget the hustle and bustle of the world. The scenery outside is also reflected by raindrops, wet roads and moist greens, creating a fantastic atmosphere. The wet wind passes through the window, and the whisper of rain that occasionally reaches my ears. It's also good to think slowly in your mind while listening to the sounds of nature. I feel that casual everyday life changes to a special moment due to the sound of rain. While cherishing this peaceful time, you close your eyes and relax your mind. What comes to mind are gentle memories and the smiles of my beloved people. The rain washes everything and brings new hope. And you are gradually invited to the world. The sound of rain will give peace in your heart and gently lead you to sleep. I hope this reading will calm your mind and lead you to a peaceful sleep.